Wanna know how to generate random passwords in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we have this code right here. And this code is simply builds a 6-character password using letters, numbers, and symbols. So, so we have used a random right here. This is a random method to pick random characters from a string of allowed characters. So the string builder, so you can see string builder, we had created a new string builder under string builder PW. So what this does is this simply collects characters quickly and efficiently. We can customize the character's string or password length to fit your needs, and it's a great way to generate with random passwords. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.